Hey guys, NightWolf here, and welcome to this reaction video. And this is my first video apart from my intro. So hopefully you guys can enjoy this. Today we'll be reacting to Angels and Grapefruit technique. I've only seen little snippets of this near the start of it, and people said it's really weird. So I've got my caveman iPod here. Like, what the fuck is this? Generation 2, what the fuck? So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, I don't know how to...
Now this is my bonus technique, the grapefruit. Normally you can only get this technique in one of my classes, but I wanted to share this with you because I believe every man should get grapefruited.
Okay.
When you grapefruit your man, it's going to feel as if you are giving him head and fucking him at the same time. No better feeling would he ever get than being grapefruited. So what you need to do is you need to, of course, have a grapefruit. You want to make sure you get the ruby red. It's sweeter, it's easier. If you are allergic to grapefruit or can't use a grapefruit for your medication, you can always use a large navel orange. Now, what you want to do is make sure the grapefruit is room temperature. All you have to do is put it in warm water. Do not microwave it. Do not boil it. Then, once it gets to that temperature, all you need to do is roll it. The reason why you want to roll it is because you want to juice it up a little bit. The juicier, the better. Then what you're going to do is you're going to find the navel. There's two navels to the grapefruit. Once you do that, you're going to place it on the plate. The navel's on the outside. You want to take a knife, and you actually want to cut one side of that navel off. Now, all this that you're doing, he will not see any of this preparation because... I'm going to tell you that a little bit later as a trick.
This is scary.
Take it to the other side and do the same thing. So you should have a grapefruit that has two sides missing just like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put a hole in the middle of the grapefruit approximately the size of your fingertips. Do not make it too big. Do not make it too tight. Just approximate. Then what you want to do is you're going to take the knife midway down and make sure it goes all the way through. All you want to do is make a nice hole in the middle of the grapefruit. Now, if you take it and make it too big, that's okay because you can always squeeze your hands like the muscles of your vagina. And if you make it too tight, all you have to do is take your finger and push the flesh back. It's just grapefruit. Now, when you grapefruit your man, he has to be blindfolded. There's no ands, ifs, buts about it. Why? If you came to the bedroom with a grapefruit, what is your man going to say? What are you going to do with that? Is it going to burn and all that other thing?
What the fuck are you doing? Get out of my fucking house is what I'd say.
Say, baby, you know what? Tonight, I want to do something a little freakier. I want to suck your dick blindfolded. Your man will blindfold himself if he knows he's going to get some head. So now, your man is in the bed.
I'm scared.
The grapefruit already prepared. Under
the fuck's going to happen?
Citrus in the air. He thinks you have on some Victoria's Secrets or something. He has no idea.
I think you're hiding a fucking peach under the bed.
What you're going to do is be a woman of your word. Now, you have to get his penis erect. So what you're going to do is just suck his dick, just like you said you were going to do.
What the fuck? What the fuck is that noise? Jesus Christ. I just dropped the fucking thing.
Once it's nice and erect, what you're going to do is replace the grapefruit.
Help me.
From your mouth. You're going to twist up and down on his shaft and suck the head at the same time. Remember, grapefruit is also a fat burner, so you're actually losing weight while you're sucking his dick. Now, once you're doing this technique, it feels amazing to him, but he still has no idea what you're doing. So what you want to tell your man to do is this. Take the blindfold off.
I keep it on the fucking way.
What the hell are you doing? But you never say...
If I heard that noise, I would be like... Okay, let's continue.
All he's going to be thinking is, I could have been fucking a grapefruit all these years. And that's the grapefruit technique.
Okay, what the fuck was that sound? And who the fuck would want a grapefruit? To do that to them? I just can't. I'll see you guys in the next video.
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.